everyone, please like and subscribe. Reading time. Linking verbs. Now let's hear from Faith.
Is, are, was, were. Yay!
Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. Your turn. Again.
Wow!